Prouty, honestly, you're in all sorts. Really?
We can see the likeness, can't we, Lily?
A little bit.
There isn't a pumpkin big enough to get my big nose in, that's for sure. Yeah, dear.
But sticking with seasonal vegetables, we're also seeing a lot of mushrooms popping up, aren't we? Not looking like Jonathan.
Hopefully not.
Well,
hopefully
actually.
not. But we have had lots of mushroom pictures coming in, and actually autumn is one of the best times of year to see all the different varieties popping up. So I've got some lovely ones to show. This one here from Linda, it's called a parasol mushroom. She captured a few of these. They're quite fun looking, aren't they? And Linda's actually been seeing lots of mushrooms, it seems, because she sent this picture in, which is actually called dog vomit slime mould. Not the most charming name, but it is quite an unusual one. And another gorgeous one there from Mark. So lots of great pictures. Important thing to remember is if you are seeing some mushrooms, it's safe to look at them, safe to touch them, but absolutely do not eat any wild mushrooms unless they've been verified by an expert, as it can be not very safe at all if you don't know what you're doing. But great to take some pictures and lovely to see them.
Yeah, very well said about that advice as well. I'm not actually a massive fan of the mushroom, actually, but I'm a massive fan of the sun. And we had lots of it today, didn't we?
We had some lovely weather conditions today. Lots of sunshine again, lots of sunny pictures sent in. Highs around 17 degrees today, feeling very pleasant out there, and it's actually going to get even warmer tomorrow. The reason for the warm conditions, all to do with the wind direction, bringing slightly warmer air in from the south, but notice towards the end of the week, those arrows changing direction. As the wind changes, it's going to get a little bit cooler and also more unsettled. We could have some rain on the way, but let's get all the details now. Here's your full forecast. Well, we've had some fine weather today, other than a bit of cloud to begin. That then broke up, so some bright and sunny spells and feeling quite warm as well. Highs of around 17 degrees. Tomorrow, more of the same. It is going to be dry. We'll have the bright periods once again, more likely into the afternoon, and it will feel pleasant and warm in any sunshine. Actually, temperatures up a notch from today, but the key difference tomorrow is it is going to feel more breezy with some slightly blustery winds at times. Back to tonight then, it's staying dry and we'll have clear spells for the most part. The winds coming from that southeasterly direction already starting to pick up to a moderate force 4 to fresh force 5. Minimum temperatures tonight of around 10 to 12 degrees. So tomorrow it is going to be dry once again. The cloudiest of the conditions to start in the morning. It could be a bit overcast at times, but we'll see that cloud breaking up. So some sunshine and some bright periods once again into the afternoon. As I said, feeling breezier. By later on tomorrow, the winds could be a fresh force 5, even to a strong force 6 at times. Coming from that southerly direction, so feeding in slightly warmer air, meaning it is still mild tomorrow, highs of 17 to 18 degrees. Let's get our high water times then, around midday and then around midnight, with a sea temperature of 15.9 degrees. So moving along later in the week, you'll see this weather front, a cold front in fact, is approaching, bringing some wet weather on Thursday night into Friday, turning all unsettled, and behind the cold front will be into this slightly cooler air, which we can see reflected in our temperatures after a warm day tomorrow. It's going to dip back down from Friday and turn all a bit changeable and unsettled with some wet weather on the way.